Hello, class. Welcome back. How are you? Good. Are you enjoying your holiday? Okay. Great. Okay. Let's do some reading. Okay, and open your geography book. Where's your geography book? Okay, if you open your geography book to page 94. Page 94. Okay, open your geography book to page 94. All right, great. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, so you remember we have been talking about landforms. What is on land? Okay, so we have the mountains, hills, canyons. Okay, those are all landforms. Okay, different kinds of land you will see. Okay, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And we're going to be learning about the map. Okay, so here is a name. Okay, Era, and the sound of a Z, Z, Ona, Arizona, 3 syllables, Arizona, maybe 4, Arizona. This is Arizona. Okay, and this place is in the USA, in America. This is in America, the state of Arizona. Okay, so here's the map of America. Right, America is really big, isn't it? Right, America is a really large country. Okay, and Taiwan is about this big. This would be Taiwan, the size of Taiwan. Okay, but look at this, the size of America. Wow, very big, right? So from north to south and east to west, every place is different in the US. And when you look on here, the west, you see this is brown. You see the brown parts, okay? Where it is brown, it's mountains, okay? And the darker the brown, the higher the mountain. Okay, so the west of the USA has mountains. All the mountains are here. Look over here. There's some small mountains right along here, but they're not as high as the mountains on the west. Here there's very low mountains. Here on the west, very high mountains, like Taiwan. And Arizona is right here. Okay, this is Arizona. Okay, you have other places too. New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, California, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. Okay, and this is where all the mountains are. But we're going to zoom in and talk about Arizona. Here is Arizona. This is on Arizona. Okay, so you can see there's lots of mountains there. Okay, so here's America. This is Arizona State. Okay, that's the state of Arizona. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so all the brown are mountains. Okay, so there's mountains. And then over here there's no mountains. Okay, and So Arizona is a very dry state. It's very dry. Okay, if you go to Arizona, make sure you carry big bottles of water. Okay, you need lots of water. It's so dry in Arizona. Dry and hot. And that's why you will find the desert. The desert. Okay, and we'll look at the desert after, okay? And I'll show you a picture of the desert. Okay, so look at all the brown, okay? So there's some very high mountains and low mountains, okay? And lots of hills and desert. And where you see all the blue, okay, and the blue is the water, okay? In the water, the name of the water, they're not lakes, not ocean. These are rivers. Rivers, okay? So there are lots of big rivers going through Arizona. Lots of rivers and mountains and desert. Okay, and the smaller mountains over here, these are probably just hills. Hills. So you remember hills are smaller and mountains are very high. Okay? And do you remember we talked about, okay, you got a mountain going up, two mountains here, okay? And then where the mountains come down, okay, this spot here, you can walk through here. And that is a valley. Valley. So between the mountains are valleys, and you can walk through the valleys. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, so another name for a large valley is a canyon. Canyon. Okay, a canyon. Okay, and the word canyon, C-A-N, can. Right? C-A-N, can. Y-O-N, yun. Yun. Canyon. Canyon. Okay? So look at this person walking. Okay? And this person is walking through the canyon. Okay? You don't have to climb. Look at, here's a mountain. Over here is another mountain. Okay? And where they come down, this is the canyon. Okay? Or valley. Okay? But a very large, this is canyon. Let's take another look here. So you see here too? Look at, okay? So there's mountains and canyon. Okay, between the mountains. So you can walk through here, go between these mountains, go between here. Okay? So walking through the canyon. Okay? Everyone say canyon. Canyon. And look at all the sand. See all the sand? Right? There's no grass. And look at, there's no tall trees because it is so dry and so hot. Okay? And there's a lot of dirt. Okay? So you got to be careful. Bring lots of water if you're going to be here in Arizona. Oh, see, this is a nice picture too. Right? So these are different mountains in Taiwan. Okay, these mountains here. Okay, and the canyon. And look at the mountains in the back. Canyon. Walking through the canyon. Aha. Now, if the canyons are over here at the mountains, and then when you walk away from the mountains, okay, like I showed you on the map, okay, so remember, the brown is the mountains, and when you go away from the mountains, all the green, there's no mountains. Okay, so if there's no mountains, here, over here, away, there's no mountains here. Okay, this is called the desert. desert. This is the desert. Desert. And see these plants? They're very tall, and they grow very old. Okay? And you will find these plants in the desert. And the name of this plant is a cactus. 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 Okay? Cactuses are in the desert. Okay? Cactus. Cactus. And look at all the cactus here. Wow, there's so many. Okay? And don't touch it. It's very sharp. If you touch it, ow! You know, like a needle. You touch it, ow! Ow! Right? It's very, all these are needles. Needles. So be careful around the cactus. Don't touch the cactus. Okay, you can see these, see? They're all needles on the cactus. Very sharp. Okay, you will hurt yourself if you touch the cactus. Okay, so be careful. Okay, desert. Desert. This is the desert, okay? And this is the sunset. Okay, so nighttime is coming. Okay? All right. Cactus, desert. Desert. This is the desert. Here is the desert also. Okay, this is the desert. Look at the desert. Look at the color. Okay? Different colors of brown. Okay, and this brown is almost like red soil. Right, and look at the mountains, red. Incredible, okay? So this is a kind of mountain. And look at the mountain, very straight. Goes straight up. Straight up. Desert. Desert. Okay? And so if there was no water, this would be a canyon. But because there's water here, this is a river. 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 Okay? And this river, you can go swimming. If you want to go swimming in this water, it'll be fine. Yeah, it's fine. Very clear. Very fresh. Yeah, river. And look at, see this? Look at the mountain. Okay, so the river is in the canyon. Right? There's a river in the canyon. And look at what these people are doing. If you go to Arizona, you can take a boat and go down the river. Okay, you could take a boat and go down the river. And in the evening, look at, they'll set up dinner, and you have your dinner and your lunch and your breakfast, and you can eat. And then over here, you could tell a story, okay? And then you can go camping on the beach. And look at, they have a nice fire, right? Right? So you could have a holiday, a trip on the river in Arizona. Very exciting. Look at that, so beautiful and so quiet. Okay, so this is a river. All these pictures are in Arizona. This too, this is Arizona. Okay, so here are the mountains. Okay, say mountains. Mountains. Mountains, right? Not just mountain, mountains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? I see 4 mountains. Maybe back here, 5 mountains, okay? And look at, here is 1 mountain. So this is a mountain. A mountain. This is Arizona, all Arizona, okay? The desert, the mountain. And if you go north Arizona, if you go north, it gets maybe colder. And look at, they have some forest. Okay, so if there's no desert, you can find a forest. Okay, all the trees and the mountains, okay, depending on the season. You can see snow on the mountains. And look at here, you can go camping. Okay, if you go to Arizona, you can go camping. Okay, you can live here. You can live here. Okay, in the camper. This is a camper. You can live there. It's like a little house. Okay, and you can live here next to the mountain. Okay, so here's the exercise. Draw an X on the river. Okay, so let's go over this again. Okay, so remember what I told you? If you have two mountains, and where the mountain comes down, this is a canyon. Canyon. And where you see this plant, okay, and you are away from the mountains, you will find the desert. Okay, and sometimes between the canyon, you will find a river, and mountain, river, desert, and canyon. Okay, so the instructions, it says here, draw, okay, get your pen. Does everybody have their pen? Get your pen, draw an X on the river. Okay, circle the mountain. Okay, so over here, just like this one I told you, look at it. You got the mountains, at the bottom is the canyon. So this is a canyon. Okay, here is a canyon. These are mountains. Okay, circle the mountain. The river, put a X. Okay, these are not mountains. Look at, these are very small. Mountains are tall. These are hills. This is the desert. Here is the river. Okay, put an X on the river and a circle on the mountains. Okay, does it look like mine? Okay, did you finish? Okay, say mountains. River. Okay, mountains, river. Okay, so yours should look like mine. Okay, one circle, two circle. Okay, and the X, put an X on the river. Okay, X on the river. Good. And the next instruction, here we have the park. Okay, we have the park. We have a river and a playground. See? Playground. And this is a snack shop. Okay? Snack shop. Now, the instruction says, look at the map of the park. Draw an X. Okay? Draw, use your pen. X on the river. Where is the river? Good, right here. This is the river. This is the playground. River. X. Good. Did you get the X? Does it look like mine? Good. Okay. Excellent. Okay, next page. Oh, look at this. More X's. Wow, today, so many X's. Draw an X. Okay? Draw an X on the symbols that do not stand for a landform. Okay, landform is a mountain on the land or body of water. Okay, the lake, the river, the ocean is a body of water. Then color the pictures. Okay, so if we look at number 1, this is a body of water. What is it? Good. It's a lake. It's a lake. Okay, did you get lake? Is the duck on the lake? Yes. Is the dog on the lake? Does the dog belong on the lake? No, not in the picture. How about water? The lake? Yes. Okay, so the lake and the duck belong together. And the dog, okay, put an X on the dog. Okay, let's go to number 2. What's the second one? Aha. Is this an is land or island? What is it? What is it? Good. It's an island. Island. It's an island. Okay. Is there a tree on the island? Yes. Is there an island on the island? Does it mean island? Island? Yes. What about a car? Is a car belong to the island? No. X the car. X. No car. No car. Okay, here's another land form. Mountain. Mountain. Are the mountains a land form? Yes, the mountains belong here. How about the mountain goat? Goat. Mountain goat. Yes, okay. Does the teddy bear belong on the mountain? No. X. X. A body of water. Ocean. Ocean. It's the ocean. Is the ocean in the ocean? Yes, they belong together. And the sailboat together with the ocean? Yes. What about the envelope? Envelope. Does it belong? No. No envelope. Okay. X. X. Good. Okay, does yours look like mine? Okay. Everyone say no dog. No car. No teddy bear. No envelope. No envelope. Okay, now it says color the pictures. Color the pictures, okay? Do you have your crayon, your color pencil? You can color, okay? Color the picture. Color. Color the lake. Color the island. Color the mountains. Color, color, color. Color the ocean. Color the sailboat. Okay? Excellent. Good. Aha. What is this? Okay. Now, this map, this is a map, okay, to show you where everything is. Okay, so they are going camping. Camping. Look at the map. Color all the landforms and bodies of water. Okay, landforms. Okay, so what are landforms again? What are the landforms? Okay, the mountains. Mountains. Okay, say mountains. That is on the land. And this is water going through the land. Everyone say river. River. Okay, good. Look at mountains, very high. And this, very low. Okay? Hills. Hills. Okay? Everyone say hills. River. Mountains. Now, here's some land in the water. Okay? Land in the water together. Okay? It is an island. Island. Can everyone say island? Island. Good. It's an island. And look at this. This is where you can go swimming. Okay? Lake. Ache. Lake. Lake. It's a lake. It's a lake. It's an island. They are hills. Hills. It's a river. It's a river. They are mountains. They are mountains. Okay? And these people, they are camping. They are camping. So look at here. What is the name of the lake? It says Lake Azul. Lake Azul. Okay? Color the lake. What color is the lake? What color? Blue. Good. Okay. Here is an island. Island. Okay, what's the name of the island? Rocky. Rocky Island. Rocky Island. Okay, so here's the land. Color the land. Okay, you can color it brown and color the tree. Color the tree on the island. Rocky Island. Okay, so you can look at the picture. See how it's brown? Light brown, dark brown, and green. Okay, and the lake is blue. Okay, color the lake blue. Okay, color the island, color the tree. And the water going to the lake is a river. River. Okay, here is the river. Okay, there's no name to the river. It just says river. Okay, it's a river. It's a river. And over here, away from the river, okay, we got these little hills. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 little hills together called Windy Hill. Windy Hill. Okay, color the hill. I think you can color the hill green. Okay, same as the grass. Okay, everyone say hill, river, lake, island. Okay, and what's going up, 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 up in the sky? What is going so high? What's here? Good. Mountains. Mountains. They are mountains. Okay, color the mountains. Okay, this is a landform. Landform. Okay, 1, 2, 3 mountains. And on top, we have snow. Right? The snow is white. And the mountain is gray and brown and green. Right? Different colors for the mountain. You can choose. Okay, color your picture. So the mountains are land, the hill is land, and the island is land. Okay? The lake and the river are water. Okay? Okay, so your picture should look like mine. Does it look like my picture? Okay, good if it does, okay? Good. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that, see? See, and I colored the snow on the mountain. Okay? So, color this picture. Okay, and color the lake, the island, the mountain, and the ocean. Okay, great. Okay, you finished all the work today. Well done. Very good. Okay, great. We'll see you next class. Okay, thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye.